Hi everyone. In today's video, we will be identifying and naming lines and angles. First, we have a line. A line continues in both directions endlessly. That is, a line has endless points. So in order for us to name the line, we can choose any 2 points. We can choose a starting point. We choose a starting point which we will call A, and an ending point which we would call B. So therefore we can name our line AB, line AB, or line BA. We can also name it by making a symbol AB, BA. Next, we have a line segment. Line segment as a starting point and an ending point. So here we have line segment CD. A line segment does not continue. It has a starting point and an ending point. We can also start at D and end at C. So it could also be line segment DC. We can also name it by making a symbol CD or CD or DC. Next, we have a ray. A ray has a starting point, but it continues. A starting point and a point that continues. So it will, to name it, we have the starting point, and then we have the point which continues endlessly. We can also name it by a symbol ray LM. Next we have an angle. We have angle X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z, and we have angle ZYX. ZYX. So to form the angle, we have two rays, ray YX and ray YZ. So where the two rays meet, we call that the vertex, and inside, and they form the angle which we form inside, which we call the angle. So we can also name our angle. So when we're naming our angle, we have to have the vertex in the middle. So it is X, Y, Z, and ZYX. We can also name it by making an angle, a symbol of an angle, X, Y, Z, or ZYX. Next, we have parallel lines. Parallel lines, we have line AB and line CD, and these two lines continue forever, endlessly, and they do not intersect or cross over. So lines which run in the same direction, they never meet, they never intersect, are called parallel lines. Next, we have intersecting lines, and these are lines that cross over. As you can see, they intersect. So G, H, and E, F are intersecting line. That means they cross over each other. Next, we have perpendicular lines. We have line RS and line PQ, and they cross over. But where they cross over, it forms a right angle. So perpendicular lines are lines that cross over to form a right angle. And thanks for watching. I hope you find this tutorial on lines and angles very helpful. Please like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video.